How long should your appliances last? Here's the realistic lifespan for every major appliance, based on industry data and what I see in the field. Refrigerator, 12 to 18 years. Top-mount freezer style lasts longest. French door lasts shortest due to more electronics. Freezer, standalone chest freezers last 20 to 25 years. Upright freezers last 12 to 18. Chest freezers are the longest-lasting appliance in your home. Washer, 10 to 14 years. Top loaders tend to last slightly longer than front loaders because fewer seals and bearings. Dryer, 12 to 15 years. Dryers are simpler than washers, so they tend to outlast the matching washer by a year or two. Dishwasher, 7 to 12 years. Shortest lifespan of all major appliances. They deal with heat, water, and chemicals every cycle. Oven and range, 15 to 20 years. Gas ranges tend to last slightly longer. Ovens are the most reparable appliance because they have fewer electronic components. Cooktop, 15 to 20 years. Gas and electric both last similarly. Garbage disposal, 8 to 12 years. Standard half-horsepower units fail sooner. 1-horsepower units last longer. The biggest factor that shortens lifespan, lack of maintenance. Clean your fridge coils, washer filter, dishwasher filter, and dryer vent regularly. The biggest factor that extends lifespan, quality brand purchase plus annual maintenance. Maintenance plans to extend appliance life. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.